Hiding a table. Controlling element visibility. A WCI Consulting Instant Access Tutorial. In a Business Objects report, you have the ability to hide elements of your report, either at all times or when certain conditions are met. You may want to hide report elements for a variety of reasons. Perhaps your report can become too crowded as more and more data is added, or you may want to embed information in the report that is only accessible to the report designer. Let's take a look at our sample report and see if anything is hidden. Click on the drop arrow next to Design and select With Structure. The report now displays all of the structural elements of the report, those that are visible and those that are hidden to the report's users. In this case, a cell displays a handy message for the designer. There are hidden cells and tables in this report. And we also see that there is a conditional formatting cell that is hidden. Let's return to the Design with Data mode. Our report displays information about customers, salespeople, and total due in a table, a heat map, and a chart. The way this report is laid out, the more customers added to the table, the more crowded the chart based on that data will become. Ultimately, the chart will become unusable. So let's create a situation where the chart will become hidden if more than 10 customers are displayed in the report. Let's set up that condition. Click to select the chart. Right-click and select Format Chart. Confirm that you are on the General tab, and you'll see three options for hiding elements on a report: Hide Always, Hide When Empty, and hide when the following formula is true. In this sample, the last option is selected. Notice that the formula that is listed tells our report that when the count of the customers is greater than 10, hide the chart. Let's look at it in the formula editor. This conditional format was constructed using the editor's available objects, functions, and operators. Once the formula has been written or edited satisfactorily, click OK and OK again. Now, let's see how this functionality works. Notice that we currently have 5 customers listed in our data table. Select the Input Control tab and let's add another customer. As we add each customer, the report will reflect the change and update the table, the heat map, and the chart. We now have 10 customers in our report. Recall that the conditional formula referred to a count of more than, greater than, 10 customers. So at this point, our table is still visible. Let's add the 11th customer and see what happens. When our data update is complete, notice that the chart has become hidden. The condition has been met. We have more than 10 customers in our report. To make the chart visible again, let's remove a customer from our report. We now have 10 customers selected for inclusion in our report, and the chart is displayed once again. For more information about this or other instant access tutorials, contact your WCI consultant or visit us on the web at wciconsulting.com.